Hi. Welcome to my channel Launchpad. The largest, strongest, fastest and most capable drones on the market are targeted toward the professional community. These are the types of machines that the movie industry puts to work, that commercial agencies use to inspect infrastructure, and search and rescue teams rely on to save lives. We are super excited that many of our favorite smaller consumer drones can handle some of the simpler professional drone needs, but we'll explore more of that below. So let's start the show. Number 5 is Phantom 4 RTK.
As the world population continues to grow, we need innovative ways to feed more people sustainably. That means leveraging intelligence in the agriculture industry to make operations smarter and more efficient. Meet the new tool that makes your workflow intelligent, the DJI P4 Multispectral. A high-precision multispectral drone solution designed to get you agricultural insights for targeted action. The P4 Multispectral retains the same powerful performance as DJI's other drones, integrating a multispectral imaging system that lets you see more than just visible light. Monitor crop health throughout growing seasons by generating vegetation index maps using multispectral images. Get accurate, consistent results thanks to the integrated spectral sunlight sensor that accounts for different levels of sunlight during different times of the day. Achieve centimeter-level precision with the RTK module and DJI's time-sync system, allowing you to get accurate positioning data on both the RGB and multispectral images captured. DJI's iconic drone platforms have evolved for the world of work. The P4 Multispectral is an accessible tool you can rely on to collect plant-level intelligence for agricultural uses and beyond.
Number 4 is Autel Robotics EVO 8K. Number 3 is Matrice 300 RTK.
Every day, good people fight fire, save lives, and keep our world revolving, even in the toughest conditions. In times like these, nothing is more critical than being able to trust your team and your tools. Meet the new Matrice 300 RTK and ZenMuse H20 series. Together, they form the foundation for reinventing the world of work. The Matrice 300 RTK boasts a 55-minute flight time, 15-kilometer transmission range, improved reliability, superior flight performance, and powerful intelligent functions. For the first time ever, dual vision and TOF sensors appear on all 6 sides of the aircraft, providing the Matrice 300 RTK with the ultimate positioning and obstacle avoidance capabilities. Flight, navigation, and obstacle data are presented in the new primary flight display. This provides unprecedented situational awareness. A powerful flying platform requires an equally capable payload. By combining a wide-angle camera, 23 times optical zoom camera, thermal camera, and a laser rangefinder, the ZenMuse H20 series is the optimal match for the Matrice 300 RTK. The new UI lets you quickly scan an area with a wide-angle or thermal camera, preview a subject of interest, and then zoom in to confirm critical details, all with just 2 taps. Combining the intelligence of the Matrice 300 RTK and the versatility of the ZenMuse H20 series yields unprecedented productivity for your field operations. Minimize repetitive work by automating routine missions with AI Spot Check. You can mark objects of interest after a demo flight. Then the aircraft will replicate the position, angle, and framing automatically for future missions. Save time and get highly detailed imagery of a large area through high-res grid photos. Select an area of interest, then capture a set of photos with a long-range zoom camera, all with a single tap. In coordinated missions, it is essential yet challenging to synchronize aerial intelligence with ground and command teams. Use the pinpoint function to mark the subject of interest and instantly share the precise location data to your second operator or ground teams via DJI Flight Hub. With Smart Track, you can now automatically detect and track a moving object, even at extreme distances, while synchronizing the subject's dynamic location in real time. The advanced dual operator mode lets each operator obtain control of the aircraft or payload with a single tap. This creates new possibilities for mission strategies during operations. Efficiency doesn't stop with just software. Downtime is minimized by a hot swappable battery system that keeps power flowing without the need to reboot the aircraft. A new quick charging battery station allows for rapid recharging of 4 groups of flight and controller batteries, so you can keep operations going for as long as you need. If that's not enough, the Matrice 300 RTK platform supports up to 3 payloads simultaneously and 2.7 kilograms of total payload weight. Compatibility with DJI's developer tools means you'll have access to a variety of industry-specific solutions in the months and years to come. In a world that demands more, we've reimagined what it means for tools to be tough, reliable, and intelligent. The Matrice 300 RTK and ZenMuse H20 series, rewriting the standard for industrial UAV solutions.
Number 2 is senseFly BX.
At senseFly, we've been helping professionals map more efficiently for almost a decade. We've done this by listening to our customers' needs, by understanding how they work, and then by transforming this feedback into accurate, reliable tools they can trust. Today, this experience gives birth to a groundbreaking new platform, the eBee. Built to boost the quality, efficiency, and safety of your data collection, the eBee is the answer to all your mapping needs. Efficient and precise, the eBee is designed to meet every project's exacting requirements. Its BV loss-ready endurance extension unlocks industry-leading ground coverage, while the drone's high-precision on-demand feature helps you achieve absolute accuracy of down to 3 centimeters without GCPs. Thanks to its expanded family of cutting-edge cameras, the eBee can handle virtually every type of mapping or survey job. These include the senseFly SODA 3D, a unique innovation that changes orientation during flight to capture 3 images rather than 1 for a significantly wider field of view. The result is stunning 3D reconstructions of vertical environments such as urban centers, open pit mines and coastlines. The new senseFly Area X, meanwhile, is a compact photogrammetry powerhouse. Its smart exposure technology ensures stunning detail and clarity across a wide range of light conditions, meaning you can map for more hours each day. The Area X also includes direct in-flight georeferencing, which minimizes the image overlap required for greater flight coverage and quicker image processing. And with the senseFly DuXT mapping rig, you can create high-resolution, geo-accurate thermal maps as and when required. The eBee is also backward compatible with senseFly's SODA, corridor and multispectral cameras. Last but not least, the eBee is rugged and reliable enough to work every site, no matter how challenging. Its new steep landing technology, for example, enables you to easily map complex sites in space-restricted locations. The eBee is also the most robust eBee ever produced. It just keeps on mapping, even after repeated landings on harsh terrain. And with its eMotion software's live air traffic option, you can improve operational security by instantly enhancing your airspace awareness. The result of all these innovations is simple: a major boost in the quality, efficiency and safety of your data collection, all backed by senseFly's professional, localized support. eBee. Map without limits. Ask us about it today.
Number 1 is Alta 8.
We're explorers. We're creating the tools to inspire a whole new generation of filmmakers. The first word that comes to mind is dependable. It's capable, agile. Every detail has a purpose. Every ounce saved increases performance and removes barriers. Alta's up, heading to position 1. At the heart, it's got a Synapse flight control. Intelligence with purpose, giving pilots exquisite control. All are tools. They have an honesty in engineering, a sense of design simplicity, functionality. You feel the power, the control, the agility. Every aspect of this machine understands your needs. To free fly, stabilization was the building block for movement. Movement leads inevitably to flight. Introducing the Alta 8.
So these 5 drones are the best professional drones. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like and share. See you in next video.